Hello everyone. Welcome back to Chung Social Tools channel. Today, I'll show you how to use the Instagram Autobot, a tool that lets you send bulk DMs to your target users. Here's the Instagram bot. Inside the software, you can manage multiple Instagram accounts. Each account can have its own proxy and unique IP address. This helps reduce account bans or flagging issues. You can select multiple accounts at once, and the software will automatically open and log them in for you. Now back to the main topic, bulk messaging. Before sending messages, you need to create your message content. Let's start by making a new category called DMS, then add a post. Here's where the message content appears. I'll take a sample from YouTube. Let's use this one. You can insert a link below and choose an image for your message. If you want more images, just add them here. Then, save your post. Now, go to Message Management. Choose Send Message. You can send DMs to a list of usernames you already have, or to followers and users you follow. I'll select Send by Username and paste the list I prepared earlier. In a previous video, I showed how to scrape usernames from comments. You can check that one later. After saving, the bot will randomly choose usernames from the list to message. Then select the message you just created at the start of this video. Here, I'll set 10 threads, meaning 10 accounts will message at the same time. Each account will send messages to about 5 to 10 users. If you want to send more, you should run the auto interaction feature first to warm up your accounts. This increases trust and reduces the chance of being flagged or restricted. Next, set the delay between messages. I'll set it from 10 to 35 seconds. After finishing all settings, select the accounts you want to use, then click Start. The accounts will open automatically and begin sending messages to the usernames from your list. You can watch the whole process on the screen. If you have any questions about this Instagram automation software, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.